Well, hello everyone. Today I will show you which is the best GCam I use, and I use two of them. I will talk about the GCam Go 2. But before that, make sure you subscribe this channel for more updates and hit the like button and also the bell button. Okay, now we're done. I will provide the link of the supported GCams of your Nokia devices, and for other Android devices there will be a link too. First GCam is this, the GCam 8.1. Why do I love this one? Well, this works the best on my phone, on Android 10. I used to have a perfect one, but that is having some issues to process those images fast. So this one is the one. But this new one is very great, every bit, and perfect. I love it. The night mode is great, daylight photos are great too, but the selfie camera has one issue. In low light or medium light, it tends to have a lot of noise. I don't know why, but that sucks, man. But on a good note, it is the most stable and very much usable for my 8.1. Now the other one is this. Well, this icon is different than the other one, so yeah. The whole interface is totally different in this. Now the things to point out. Well, the night mode is surely brighter than the other one, but the colors are a bit too off. Human face isn't as crisp as it should be, but it has one feature, is 36x zoom. Well, I know it will be some kind of algorithm works, but hey, sometimes it amazes me what it can see. I mean, even though my phone sensor is small and it's just 12 megapixel, 20x works better, but 36x struggles in the night time, mainly the focus thing. But at least I know that the hardware isn't the only thing. Software makes it the perfect one. Now let's talk about the 1.3's surprise feature, the GCam Go. Well, that's what I installed and I gave it a go. Works fine, but it takes low resolution photos, 720p resolution up to video, so that's a bummer. So it's of no use on my phone. The portrait mode is okay, I have seen better. But try it on your low-end Nokia devices or low-end Android devices. It may be magical for you. Tell me if it is working or not. I mean, you should try. Did I mention that the Nokia world is having a beautiful Instagram community? Follow me there. You can DM me there. That's a good thing. Now a short tip for everyone. If you have a GCam with working night mode, you should use it even in the daylight condition most of the time. Mostly when you have super sun glow everywhere, I mean like the bright sunny day, it will maintain the overexposure the best possible way. Now as a camera appearance, here is a comparison of Nokia 8.1's GCam peak versus the Nokia LUMIA 830's Nokia camera peak, day and night both. Also, I have a built-in raw DNG support in the Nokia LUMIA, which certainly started working though, and here is the edited version of that photo too. So yeah, comment down what you think about the Nokia branded last pure view camera stacking up with the latest gen Nokia. I mean, if not the latest one. I will provide the link of as many Nokia devices as I can. You can download the GCams there, and for other Android users, I will also provide a link there. Do remember, these are outside of Play Store thing. Then do everything at your own risk. Yeah, you can do it. I will see you soon. Until then, bye and take care.